up, everybody? Old video just coming out, but was over at Sobeys. This is just before Christmas, and the roads were busy. Everybody was out shopping. If you look two on my right over here, they're both gonna get out here, but look at the lineup of cars on the left. Let's count them. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 lined up. That white car behind already got out. There's the other car that was sitting there for 14 with one coming out. There's still 13, 14 cars sitting there. And a tanker truck waiting to get in behind that. Watch this douche get in. This guy doesn't even want to come straight. He wants to turn. And I say guy. Can't really make out who as far as gender, so I won't suppose anything. But I will say this. It's one of Moncton's worst drivers. Because if you look right here, signal light. It just passed 13 cars. 12 that were sitting behind it anyways, to say, oh, let me in. Like, how entitled are you? And how close are you going to get to my bumper making this turn away? Almost hits this guy. Almost hits me. To cause another traffic jam down the road. Here's my thoughts on it at the time. Now it's going to go down here to where you can't really turn left at the best of times and try to turn left. Gear fucking D. Instead of getting in the proper lane to begin with. Roads are busy. There's a lot of people out. Yep, it's in that lane already. Down there, where look at the cars all backed up, and it'll try to turn left.